everyone, and welcome to JUENFO Kitchen, where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this perfect stovetop rice. The first thing that I'm going to do is to wash the rice. So I have a cup here of Basmati rice, and I'm just going to wash it in the same pot here that I'm going to use to cook it for easier cleanup. Now, as mentioned earlier, for this video I'm using Basmati rice, and I'm well aware that this is more on the pricier side, especially where I live in the Caribbean, so I will be showing you the results at the end from using regular long grain rice, which is more on the affordable side. So when washing the rice, you want to wash it 2 to 3 times or until the water runs clear. Now that my rice is rinsed clean and drained, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water. Now for every 1 cup rice, you add 1.5 cups of water or whatever liquid you're using to cook it. To add some flavor, I'm going to go in with a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of butter, and that's unsalted butter. So usually I'd go in with a teaspoon of my blended green seasoning here. However, I know that not everybody's gonna have a whole batch of green seasoning blended. So for simplicity, I'm just gonna add a slice of onion. And feel free to flavor your rice however you want, guys. You can add any one of your favorite herbs or spices. It's totally up to you. By the way, if you want the green seasoning video or recipe, I'll link it above for you as well as in the description below. Now, I have my pot here on my smallest burner. Reason being is that I want my rice to cook on the lowest possible temperature. When you think about it, a rice cooker cooks rice slowly on low temperature, which is why you will get nice, perfectly cooked rice grains, or shelly rice as we Caribbean people would say. So I'm gonna cook my rice for about 10 minutes on medium-low, or until most of the water has dried out. Alright guys, so it has been exactly 9 minutes. And this is exactly how our rice is looking. As you can see, most of the water has dried out. I'm just going to give this a quick stir in order to distribute the butter more evenly. And now I'm going to reduce my flame to low and allow this to finish steaming. Okay guys, so after another 8 minutes, my rice is now done. I'm just going to remove my onion slice. And as you can see, we have perfectly steamed, fluffy, shelly white rice. So as mentioned earlier, I did a more affordable rice, which is the regular long grain rice. And as you can see, the results are pretty much the same. Depending on the type of rice and your stove, you should have perfectly steamed rice anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes. Hope you found this video to be helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel when you do. Let's stay connected on all my other socials. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.